What up, friends and family and all your real ones? I'm in the truck today, so I guess it's going to be another episode of Truck Vids. Shout out to all my truckers out there. Shout out to Dean and Sydney and all your other truckers out there. I know you guys are always in your trucks 24/7, I feel like, and truthfully I do the same, except my truck isn't as big as yours. You guys have bigger trucks than I do, I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, back to the matter at hand. Well, all you real ones, I want to talk to you guys today about business and being able to shift your focus or make a pivot, and how important it is to have the ability to do that. And I'm inspired by that today because I'm having to shift my focus to take care of a few unforeseen things, and that way everything starts to flow and gets back to the old mojo. So in business, things can really make differences in your company depending on what happens. Could it be a market trend? Could it be, or in my business, actually a rise in oil and fuel prices really damage my kind of company. Everything that I do for exterior work, between roofing and siding and windows, those are all items that are made directly by petroleum-based products. Now, I have like dumpsters and things of that nature for my company that have to be on site, and trucking and shipping and dropping off materials, and all of those things revolve around gasoline. So whenever gas goes through the roof, it makes it even tougher on a company like the one I have that is so codependent on things that revolve around petroleum. So with that being said, that's one of the reasons why I actually got into affiliate marketing and learning another skill set is, with everything happening and the potential of the Saudi Arabia pipeline, if you're unfamiliar, I think both Nick and Ryan put out videos about that. You guys go check them out on thebullrunners.com. And when it comes to gas prices going up, all of us truckers, we really feel it in our wallets, and we really feel it with the cost of goods to all of our friends and family. So it's important to be able to focus and shift that focus when the time is needed, so that you can not only stay in business or be a more profitable business, but you can also adapt or make changes that are going to help move your ship in the right direction. So your company is like a ship in the ocean, right? When the winds start hitting it from all different sides, you got to start to realize, which direction do you want to go in, and which way do you want to point them sails, so you can catch that wind and push you in the right direction. And that's exactly what we're doing here. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, being able to work from anywhere, not needing to have to worry about things like gasoline and stuff as far as getting your product to people, because a lot of the stuff that we're doing here at the onlinebusiness.app are digital products. You don't have to worry about having a huge warehouse full of material, or have to have a certain number of things on hand in like some sort of stock. So with all that being said, digital products are the future, and everybody uses a digital product. They're very easy to upgrade or make changes to if there was, for any reason, a need to. So digital products are essentially one of the best ways of taking advantage of your affiliate marketing. So I encourage each and every one of you to check out all of the digital products that we have here at the onlinebusiness.app, and to get yourself familiar with them and use them on a regular basis, so that you can not only tell people about them, you can really explain them because you are using them yourselves. And I am also going to be taking my own advice on that and utilizing more of our digital products as I slowly transition my entire company's information online over to our new software, and be able to utilize all the amazing things that the software does. And that's going to help benefit me here in my day-to-day life, and it's also going to help benefit you regardless of your niche or what you guys got going on. So as always, I appreciate your time. We're in the truck, and I don't know, hit me up. You know my number at Mr. Right 475.com. Actually, that's not my number. Man, a lot going on today. A lot lot of times people feel overwhelmed with all the things that you got to do. So you can either simplify your life. The only way to do that is to make more money and gain more time. See, time is the hardest thing to gain, and money is not. If you can focus on money, you can gain more time. And I think that's a good idea. I think we're going to focus on the goals and not worry about the little speed bumps. I was just kidding. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. I didn't run nothing over. It was a joke. Y'all have a good day. Stay blessed. Peace out.